Hey guys, today we are going to talk about 3 ways that you can make more money with the Amazon Influencer Program. That's right, you can make more money with the Amazon Influencer Program, and there are a lot of ways that you can already make more money, and we'll talk about some of those in future videos. Today we are going to talk about just 3 more ways that you can make more money with the Amazon Influencer Program. All right, so you've already joined the program. We're going to assume that you've already done that. If you haven't, go back and watch a few other videos on how to join the program and how to get in. But you've already joined it, you're already making money. Now, maybe you were also rejected from the Amazon Influencer Program. That's okay, you can still use these 3 ways to make money doing the same thing. Since you already applied and you're already in, or maybe you already applied and you were rejected from the on-site commissions, there are ways that you can make money still. You have the account, let's talk about those ways. So the Amazon Influencer Program, as you already know, is designed to help shoppers decide which products are the right products for them. And when you see me looking down, it's because I'm looking at my notes, making sure that I give you the content that I have for you today. All right, so people who watch these videos are more likely to purchase and purchase with confidence, because when they see an honest reviewer like yourself reviewing a product or talking about a product or showing aspects other than what the brand has shown for the product, it helps them buy with confidence. It helps them know whether or not this product is the right product for them. Customers who watch your video are also less likely to return a product, and returns cost Amazon a lot of money. So by reducing returns, they're able to save a lot of money, which is one of the many ways that it's very beneficial for them to pay you. So as an influencer, you are helping Amazon increase sales and increase confident sales, and you are helping them reduce returns. These are both fantastic opportunities for Amazon. It really helps them increase their earnings, which is why it makes sense to pass money on to you to help them make more money. So it's a win-win for both Amazon and for you to be an influencer. All right, the first of the 3 ways to make more money with Amazon Influencer is to create a YouTube channel. Now I know you've heard about YouTube channels before. Stay with me here to see how this actually makes you money. So when you create a YouTube channel, the YouTube channel itself doesn't initially make money, but you can still make money nearly right away with a YouTube channel. In your Amazon Influencer account, on the top right-hand corner of the screen, you will see that you have multiple store IDs. And those store IDs are roughly on Amazon and off Amazon. Those are roughly how those 2 store IDs will look. They'll have different lettering and things, but if you kind of decode what it says, one is on Amazon, one is off Amazon. Switch that to off Amazon. Now, both store IDs are always active, but by switching it, we're looking at a different set of resources. So switch it to off Amazon so that we can see some of the resources that are available to you to make money from other avenues that are not directly on Amazon. Okay, when you do that on your desktop, you will now go to the heading Tools, and then when you go to Tools, you will go down to Site Stripe. Now what Site Stripe does is on any page of Amazon, it will give you an affiliate link. That is your specific affiliate link to that exact location on Amazon. Now you can also do this in your Amazon mobile app. What you'll do in the mobile app is make sure you are signed into the same account where you have your influencer account set up. If you have multiple Amazon accounts, this is very important to make sure that your Amazon app is signed into the correct account where you have your influencer account. Then from any product page, there is a little share icon. If you click on the share icon, it will give you an option to use your affiliate link. And that is how you get your affiliate link on mobile. So either from desktop or from mobile, you can get an affiliate link. The advantage on desktop is you can use an affiliate link to any page on Amazon as well as any product on Amazon. With the mobile app, I believe it only works directly to a specific product. But either way, it gives you a direct affiliate link. Now, when you create a review video for Amazon, a shoppable video, what you can do is use this shoppable video to post to your new YouTube channel. When you post to your new YouTube channel, you will then put in the description a line that says something like, you can buy this product directly, and then put your affiliate link. Now, somewhere in that description, you will also be required by the FTC to put some kind of comment that says something to the effect of, you may earn commissions from affiliate links. That way it's clear that any links here, you might earn a commission from. So if you post that link, you can also add to your shoppable video for YouTube that says, link in the description below. Or you can do a little overlay that says, link in the description below. And the YouTube editor tool will let you quickly add that in there, making it real easy. You don't have to do that, but it will help your viewers on YouTube know that there's a link right there that they can click on to make a purchase. So when you make your one shoppable video, you already now pretty much instantly have content for Amazon shoppable video and for a YouTube channel. And on YouTube, you will post your affiliate link, which will help the person watching your video be able to make that purchase on Amazon. Now, another advantage to doing this is your direct affiliate link will give you a commission on any product that person buys on Amazon for 24 hours. Where with a normal shoppable video, you only make a commission on what they purchase in that product category in that immediate session. So the affiliate link has a longer lasting impression and gives you a commission on everything they purchase. Maybe they went to Amazon because you sent them there from your video, but they bought a whole lot of other things as well. Or maybe they decided on a different product. Well, you are going to earn a commission on that purchase, even though they didn't buy just what you referred, or they bought something different than what you referred them there to. So that is way number one, that you can earn more money using your affiliate program or your influencer program with Amazon. Way number two that you can make more money from the Amazon influencer program is posting to your social media. Now, the way this works is pretty simple. We just talked about how to get an affiliate link. Anytime you recommend a product and use your affiliate link, again, the same thing happens. People follow your affiliate link and make a purchase, and you make a commission on everything that they purchase using your affiliate link. So when you're talking about any kind of product anytime in social media, use your affiliate link. But also when you create a shoppable video for Amazon, you can now post it to YouTube and earn money there. And you can post it to your social media channels using your affiliate link to send them back to Amazon. So now you've got three possibilities to make money on your one shoppable video. You're posting it to Amazon, you're posting it to YouTube, and you're posting it to your regular social media channels. Now, your followers already know, like, and trust you, so they are more likely to follow your links and make purchases based on your recommendations. So this really increases your ability to make money using your content that you're making for Amazon. All right, let's get to way number three. Way number three is pretty interesting. So way number three that you can make more money using the affiliate program and your Amazon influencer program is to join a company called Join Brands. And I'll post a link down below, which is actually an affiliate link. I'll post that down below where you can go to Join Brands and take a look at this. So what Join Brands is brands come over to Join Brands looking for content creators just like yourself to review their products. What they'll do is they'll pay you money to review their product, and post either shoppable videos or post images. Now you can create shoppable videos with the products that they send you, and they'll send you these products completely free. So not only are they paying you to create reviews and images for them, they're also giving you products to use. Now, when you get these products, you can create the image or review video that they've asked for. You can also post your videos to the Amazon shoppable videos. You can also post it to your YouTube. You can also post it to your social media, and you can also use your affiliate link. So here you are making money in multiple ways on one product on Amazon. One, from the product sending or the brand sending you their product, you get a free product. And that's great. It gives you another product to review without having to spend money to buy more products. So one, you get free product. Two, they'll pay you money to review their product. And the amount that they pay you ranges quite widely depending on your experience level. So now you get a free product and the product pays you to make the video or take a picture. Next, you get your influencer money for posting a shoppable video for that product. And then third, you get your affiliate money when you post it to your YouTube and your social media channels and people follow your link. There are so many ways that you can make extra money doing this, and you're doing the same thing. It's not like you're really working harder, you're just posting it to a few more locations, and then with Join Brands, you can go to Join Brands and just accept doing projects for multiple people where you get free product that you can post to continue making more money. So those are 3 ways that you can use your Amazon influencer program to make more money doing what you're already doing and doing what you're good at and doing what you love doing. The influencer program is continuing to grow. The opportunities are really endless within this program. It's really amazing at the amount of ways that you can make money, earn money, and help the general public out by providing great information to them to help them know what products are the best for them to use. All right, please like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. It really helps me out, and it really helps others know that this channel even exists to help them learn how they can also make more money. I'm going to keep posting more information on ways that you can make more money. So please subscribe to this channel. When you subscribe, you'll be notified or you'll be able to see when I post new content, new videos. My videos are ways to help you make more money. And I'm going to keep posting more videos on ways to help you make more money. Do you want to chat with me? You can chat directly with me. I'll have a link down below in the description where you can schedule 30 minutes with me to talk about ways to make money. I'll help you out in any way I can. I love helping you earn an income and earn more money. I love helping people find side hustles and ways to improve their life. So there's a link down below where you can schedule 30 minutes. It's free. We'll talk directly about what you can be doing, how you can be doing it, talk through any questions or concerns that you have. I'm here for you. All right. Please also like this video. When you like this video, it helps boost it in the rankings so that more people will see the video and more people will be able to learn from this video just like you on how to make more money. It will help you help more people make more money, which I really appreciate you liking this, and I really would appreciate your comments down below as well. Comment down below how you're going to use this information to help you make more money. And finally, again, please subscribe to this channel. It will really help me out. It will really help this channel grow. I appreciate you. I'm here to help you in any way I can. Thanks so much for watching, and have a fantastic day.